Hi, I'm Jonathan from Smart, here with the only interactive display with a built-in library of exit tickets for student devices. Let me show you how that makes your teacher's life easier. Want to know what stuck and what didn't before the bell rings? Smart's Walk Up and Use whiteboard makes it easy to launch ready-made exit tickets that work across subjects and grade levels. Connecting all your students is simple. Just start your session and students can join from their devices with a QR code or web link. This is more than just the same old poll. Whether you're checking for understanding or sparking reflection, these built-in templates help you assess learning fast and keep students engaged. Every student can respond in real time, and you get a clear picture of what's really landing and what to review next time. Want even more activities for student devices, including handouts and small group templates? Create lessons for your smartboard, free with Lumio. Spend less time creating from scratch thanks to Lumio's customizable resources created by fellow teachers. Plus, leverage AI Assist to generate quizzes and tests appropriate to the level of your students with just a single prompt. Guide collaboration and get feedback that matters. Exit tickets just got a whole lot smarter. See it in action with a demo at smarttech.com or try Lumio for free at golumio.com.